Hey guys, Sparker5 here. Today I'm going to show you guys how to solve. Okay, I have 3 parts for this video, or at least I'm going to have 3 parts for this video. It's how to solve the Rubik's Cube. The first one I'm going to do is the first layer, which probably most of you guys know. The first layer right now, as you can see, is partially solved. You just need to know that when you solve the first layer, you have to start with the cross, which involves the edges, the edge piece. Now, one important tip that I have for most of the people who learn from me is that when you solve the edge, you have to solve both colors of the edge at the same time. So as you can see, the red and white edge is already solved. So let's move on to a different edge. I'm going to position myself so you guys know what I'm doing and why I'm doing it. There. Now, let's look for an edge. Let's say the orange and white edge. The two colors are orange and white. So, the goal of this edge is to move it in the middle of the orange and white center. So back to the edge. It's already connected to the orange center. So to move it up to the white center, you would have to turn the orange side so that it's facing the white of the orange white edge piece is facing upwards. Now we got 2 edges solved. Let's take a more harder view. The blue and white edge is in the right place to connect to the white, except for the 2 colors are switched around. What would we do? We would move down the orange edge, move up, and so that the blue would be under the orange, so that we can move it under the blue and then reset the orange. You understand? So now that the orange is reset and the piece is right under the blue and it's connected with the blue. So all you'll have to do is to turn the blue side so that the white is facing with the white. Then let's take in, and we got another one, except for right now it's just the same case. This case goes with all of them, how I showed you to solve them. So I'm just going to solve this. Now, it's not solved actually. Somehow I got to the other case. The piece is not, or it could be, in the right place. It could be in the right place, but the 2 colors are switched. How to do that is to move it one piece to wherever direction. Make it so that the white, the green color, in this case, is connected with the green by moving this side so that it is, and then turning this up. To be followed by repairing the orange. There you go. You have the cross. Now, let's move on to the edges. The edges are the pieces with 3 colors. So on the corners. The corners. Yeah. So, we're going to solve the white top, so make sure that the corners you're looking for have white on them. So let's see. Green, I found a green, red, and white corner. White is up here. Now, this is already in place. So this is probably one of the easiest cases for solving the corners at the first layer. When you have it like this, where the white is not facing downwards or on the yellow side, then you just move the cube so that the white is facing you. Move the white towards the farthest corner because let's see, green, red, and white. So we move it so that it's in the middle of green, red, and white. Wait a second. I passed it. Now, to do this is just by making sure that the white is facing you, moving it to the farthest corner like I said earlier, moving down the piece where it's supposed to go, shifting it back, and moving it back up. This goes for all the other cases like this. Now, we got an orange, green, and white corner. But it's already up there. But it's not in the right place. So just how to do this is to move it down, move it away, and move this piece back up. Now, we know that the piece is up here. Is down here, I mean. Now we just move it in the middle and do the same case that we did last time, except for on the other side. We solved 2 corners. Now we have one that's in the right place, but it's twisted. What would we do? Well, we would move it down. So, in every case, we would move it down. Then we would just bring it back under and solve that again. Solve that. Wait a second. Yeah, we would bring it under and solve that over again. Where did it go? I got messed up a little. Let me just look for it. It's up here. It's down. I'm going to quickly get you to another case. So now the white is facing downwards. How you would solve the white facing downwards is by making sure the piece is facing you, any side, bring it to an empty corner, move down the side, move down the corner, and then shift it twice in the opposite direction. In any direction, really. Then the white would not be facing down. Then all you'd have to do is to solve this. Then that's pretty much all the cases we would have for this. So that would be how to solve the first layer. Bye guys.